Hello, today we are going to look at an interesting number theory problem which I would say is in the 650 plus range on the GMAT-CAT. The question reads as follows. How many factors of 1080 are perfect squares? So we are asked to count the number of factors of 1080 which adhere to a perfect square criteria. So let us take a moment to understand what a perfect square is. To do so, let us assume a number p. A number p is a perfect square if its prime factors have even powers. Let's say the number p has prime factors b and c, and these prime factors have powers x, y, and z. So for p to be a perfect square, x, y, and z have to be even. These numbers could be 0, 2, 4, 6, so on, and any multiple of 2 for p to be a perfect square. So this is the rule, so please make a mental note of it. It comes really handy on GMAT-CAT. So the next step in solving this problem is to find the prime factors a, b, and c of the number 1080. The way we do it is by successively dividing 1080 by prime numbers till it goes no further and counting the number of unique primes and using that information to calculate the factors. So the first step is to identify the prime factors. So we know that 1080 is is an even number because it ends in 0, so we can divide it by 2. So that gives us 540. So 540 is also divisible by 2. That gives us 270. 270 is divisible by 3. 19. Again 330. So 310. 10 is divisible by 5. 2, 2, and 1. We know from the definition earlier that the perfect number should match this criteria: a power x times b power y times c power z. So here p is 1080. This we write it as 2 power 1, 2, 3, 2 power 3 times 3 power 1, 2, 3, 3 times 5 power 1. But we are not asked to find whether 1080 is a perfect square or not, but we are asked to find the number of factors of 1080 that are perfect squares. So to do so, let us take each and every prime factor and calculate the number of perfect squares. So with number 2, the only perfect squares that are applicable are 2 power 0 and 2 power 2. That gives us 1 and 4. With number 3, the only perfect squares possible are 3 power 0 and 3 power 2. That would be 1 and 9. With 5, the only number possible is 5 power 0. That would be 1. So the unique numbers that are perfect squares are 1, 4, and 9. We also know that the product of these numbers could also be a factor of 1080. So let us figure out the unique multiples of the factors here that are also factors of 1080. So 1 times 4 is 4, it's already there, so let's ignore. 1 times 9 is 9, it's already there, let's ignore. 4 times 9 is 36, it's not in the list, so 36. 36 is a factor of 1080, so this is the solution. So we have 4 numbers which are factors of 1080, which are perfect squares. This is the solution that we were looking for. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have fun preparing for GMAT. Thank you.